Here I have OPPO Pad 2, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you should tap on this arrow key, then you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next. Then you have to select your region, could be United Kingdom for me, tap continue. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy, security and protection, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have these Google services, I suggest you to disable them, then tap accept. Then you can set up unlock method like face unlock or password, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings if you don't really care about your device protection. Like if you change your mind, you can always do it in settings. Then you should select a navigation method, like you can select buttons, you can select gestures. I guess, in my opinion, buttons is the sign of a bad taste. Gestures are much more aesthetic, so I suggest you select gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you can learn here by going through this tutorial. Tap next. Then you can enable these recommended features. Maybe I'm gonna skip it right now. Then tap done and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.